welcome back to the workshop. This video, we're going to be talking about the power hammer. I've been getting a ton about this on Instagram. Y'all want to see how it works. So how this thing works is you have a treadle down here, which when you push that down, it tightens this V-belt, which the drill is spinning on this pulley right here. And which when you push down on this, it tensions this belt right here, which will spin this top pulley right here. And when it tensions that, it spins it, which at the top of its stroke, there's a bushing in here with a bolt, and at the top of its stroke, it will come up, and then it's kind of how it works. It's got that spring up there, so all this happens very quickly. And then all this right here is just flat bar, mild steel, nothing special about it. And it's got a 1-inch black iron pipe that I ground all the paint off, so when you weld it, you'll get a good weld. And a 1x6 spring, and so that will fit in the inside of this, and will give this hammer some control to where, when you're working on a taller piece of material, this will spring and not break parts. And then moving up, we have this was 1 3/4 of an inch pipe here, and just hammer it on the side so it fits it, and you stick wedges in to tighten all this up. I need to re-wedge it, and that'll control how it's tilted this way, and everything that's back and forth and side to side, and these are off square by a long shot, so I gotta fix that. And then back here you just have 1/2-inch round bar, 2 brackets to hold it down. Nothing special about that. Nice VFD here that just used as an on and off switch. And I guess we're gonna have to do some forging with it, so we'll light the forge and I guess hammer on some big piece of steel. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to build this power hammer yourself, I'll leave all the things you're going to need to build it in the description. The bulk of the plans come from Christ-Centered Ironworks. He has great plans to build it. There's a lot of homemade parts, so we just kind of simplified the design a little bit more to make it a little easier for you to build. So all the parts will be down in the description, and like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.